Greetings, Dan Daniels here. I wanted to share with you a search tool that is very handy for your business environments. I'm going to open this search tool in the terminal, and it's called the tool Search Creator. And I'm going to use an application called Tani, which is an open source Python tool IDE. It's not necessary to use, but it is handy and it gives you an idea as to what's going on. You can see here the code is on the left, and let's go ahead and just start it. I don't need to use Tani in this instance. It's just handy. So here is our Python tool. I'm going to do a search for handheld DNA sequencer. Sounds unusual, but I know they exist. So I'm going to go with .com. I'm going to search in English only, and I'm going to return the total number of sites, pause. If I don't put a pause in there, Google might think I'm trying to scrape Google, which they don't like, so I've set a pause in here for 5 seconds, and total number of sites, well, I'll go with 100, even though I've set it at 50, and we'll see what happens. There's the search tool. That's the output of the search. I'm going to click OK. And in a moment, I should get notification. There are right there in my terminal. You can see I've got quite a few hits. Many of these are going to be, most likely are going to be news sites. And you can see that it's more or less probably done by now. And right there, finished writing handheld DNA sequencer exported search CSV. Now let's go take a look at that. And what I'll do, I'm on Ubuntu for what it's worth, and I click on modified. And there is my search results. Let's go ahead and open that with LibreOffice. And it looks pretty good. And there is my search. And you could see that it went ahead and pulled all 100 searches, which it's all right, but here we are. Now, what are you going to do with all those search results? Watch the next video and you'll find out. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.